Advocacy groups are urging Colorado health officials to reject a sweeping federal request for Medicaid data. They worry that data could be used to track down and deport undocumented immigrants. Denver 7's Brandon Richard listening to their concerns tonight and digging for answers about just what's behind this request.
As the Trump administration ramps up deportation efforts, immigrant advocacy groups are growing concerned about how far federal immigration authorities will go to find and deport undocumented immigrants. Last week, the Associated Press reported federal Medicaid officials turned over the personal data of millions of Medicaid enrollees to the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. The data included names, addresses, and the immigration status for people living in a handful of states that allow undocumented immigrants to enroll in state-funded Medicaid programs.
You need to have some trust between people and their governments. The actions of the federal government right now are really damaging that.
Bethany Prey is with the Colorado Center on Law and Policy. While none of the data came from Colorado, she worries it could be only a matter of time.
Well, we know that they're asking for data, detailed data, specifically on non-citizens.
The Colorado Department of Healthcare Policy and Financing, which administers Colorado's Medicaid program, confirmed to Denver 7 Friday it had received new, lengthy, and more detailed data requests from federal Medicaid officials. It did not provide more details about what information was being requested, but said the department has always been required to regularly share detailed information with the federal Medicaid agency. In May, federal Medicaid officials announced they were increasing oversight on states that use federal funding to provide health care to undocumented immigrants. While Colorado provides coverage to undocumented immigrants, it uses state funding, not federal funding. Prey says if Colorado turns over personal data about undocumented enrollees, it would be breaking its promise to keep that information protected.
It would be really a betrayal. We're hoping that they will demonstrate to Coloradans that they will keep their promises, essentially.
Brandon Richard, Denver 7.
And Denver 7's Brandon Richard will stay on top of all of these stories and all of Colorado politics. If you ever have a political story you'd like for him to look into, scan the QR code on your screen right there, or you can email him, brandon.richard@denver7.com.